I was asked what makes a poor quality breadboard. Well, it is sometimes hard to see immediately. Sometimes there are telltale indicators with the letters on the sides, perhaps them not lining up the way you expected, or having them printed with poor quality ink. But actually the easiest way is just to do something like this. So here's an 8-bit binary counter, ripple through counter. And you'll notice that the second light doesn't light up until we press firmly on the board, in which case it does. So let's give it a second to kind of light up and then release, and now it doesn't work anymore. So now we press again. There it is. Oh, no longer. There we go. A poor quality breadboard.